afternoon viewers, welcome again to Balghari kitchen, and today I bring another super duper recipe which is Tofu Stir-Fry Noodles. So keep watching Balghari kitchen. If you're not yet subscribed Balghari kitchen, do subscribe Balghari kitchen, share to friends and family, and thank you for watching Balghari kitchen. I prepare some ingredients in Balghari kitchen, so I will take you to my kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients for this recipe. So let me take you to my kitchen. Egg noodles, cooking oil, spring onion, some julienne carrots, julienne red onion, julienne yellow bell peppers, julienne red peppers, julienne white cabbage, tofu, egg, some slice of garlic, oyster sauce, sweet soya sauce, salt, pepper, and soya sauce. So first of all, we are going to boil these noodles. Here I prepare already water is boiling, so I'm going to add our noodles into it to just boil. So let's boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Boil our noodles for 5 to 6 minutes until it's cooked. So our noodle is blanched already, so I'm going to remove it from heat and switch off the flame, and let's steam the water. You can add some oil so it will not come sticky. Noodles ready. So let's cut the tofu into slices. So we can cut tofu. In thin slices, easy to cook. Make your pan hot and add in some oil. Make sure oil spread all the area. So then I'm going to place the tofu. So we'll cook tofu both sides until it's golden brown. And place it here on top also until it's golden brown. So change into other side tofu. On all the sides. Keep cooking 2 to 3 minutes. So viewers, let's start. Take another pan, just make it hot, adding oil. Okay. And then add sliced garlic. If you want to make it chopped, you can make it chopped, but I love to have more garlic in my food, and I love to have slices of garlic. Just stir fry 30 to 40 seconds. Then I'm going to add onion. Saute the onion together with the garlic. Add cabbage, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and carrot as well. So stir fry out all the vegetable until it's a little bit softened. In stir fry cooking, you don't need to cook much more. Just stir fry 2 to 3 minutes the vegetable. It will be soft. You are going to use the pan. If you are having wok in your kitchen on high flame or small flame, not good to make noodles. So this is our Balghari kitchen. I'm going to make this noodle now. So viewers, the tofu already is fried. I'm going to cut. So cut all the tofu in strips like this way. Time to add the sauce, soya sauce, black pepper, oyster sauce, pinch of salt, the spring onions, mix together and stir fry all together. So here another pan, You can make your egg, just put oil, same like omelette. Put the egg. And just make a scramble. So our egg is ready. Now it's time to add the noodles. Make like this. As well, all the vegetables. Now you can add egg like this. Now it's time to add tofu. Adding tofu like this. And also, so our two fried noodles are ready. I'm going to dish out now. Tofu fried noodle is ready. I'm going to dish out. Oh my god. 10 plates. It's very big quantity. It's good for 4 people. And then the remaining tofu, put like this way. So viewers, your tofu fried noodle is ready. Look at this. So viewers, our tofu fried noodle is ready. Let's taste tofu fried noodles. Looks delicious, looks amazing. Wow, look at this. Wow. So I'm going to taste now. Like this. Wow. It's very, very delicious, believe me. If you want to make this kind of noodles or this kind of recipes, subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section. Always give your suggestion in comment section. If you want to prepare another kind of dish, just give your comments, so we are going to prepare in other videos. So keep watching Balghari Kitchen always for these delicious noodles. I'm sure you want to try, so let's try. I believe it's very, very delicious. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day. Da, 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 da.